Hey guys, Steve Lamback here with this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. This is a V6 model, so it's going to have 295 horsepower. The other option is a V8 model, but if you want to save on fuel, this would be your best option. So yeah, this is a limited trim level. It's got the Pentastar V6 in it. Nice chrome trim on the front fascia. We got the upgraded LED package with LED low beams, high beams, signal lights, and your fog lights. Walking around to the corner, we're gonna see the nice 20-inch aluminum winter rims and tires with all wrapped in all-season tires. Nice chrome finish on this black, diamond black crystal exterior. We got your signal mirror lights, keyless entry, push this button to lock, put your hand in automatically. That's gonna open up your doors for you, nice and convenient. Your key never comes out of your pocket. This is one of our highest selling trim levels for the Limited. It's got lots and lots of good options. Takes regular fuel. Coming around to the back, we got the nice exterior LED taillights. We're gonna have your built-in sensors in the back, proximity sensors for parking, so it beeps when you get close to stuff, so it helps you not hit stuff. You got your backup camera, power lift gate, which is nice. And yeah, we'll just check out the next video for the interior. But yeah, it does have lots and lots of room in the trunk for all your space and little hideaway piece, so you don't get your stuff stolen from the West Edmonton Mall when during Christmas time. And what's nice about these Grand Cherokees is it does come with a full-size spare tire. You don't see that very much often anymore, but that's a nice option to have. And it's got a powered subwoofer, upgraded amplifier as well. Join us in the next video and we'll check out the interior. Hey guys, back here with this 21 Limited Grand Cherokee. This has the black on black interior, which is really nice. It's timeless. It's got the nice black wood trim, which is a nice touch as well with the chrome underneath. You're gonna get the nice silver bezeling around your door latch, which is nice. These seats do recline as well for your adult passengers or bigger passengers, or if you're on the highway. It's super comfortable. It reclines like a lazy boy almost. It reclines like 45 degrees. Getting in the vehicle, I'm pretty big. Well, I'm not that big, but I'm average size. I'm pretty comfortable back here. There is heated seats for the rear passengers in the Limited models as well, which is a nice touch with two settings, low and high. You got your USB connectors, your 115 volt plug-in for when you want to plug in anything you want, whatever you got, video game machines and everything. It's got the nice black headliner as well, and it also has LED lights all around, which is nice, which is a nice touch, and it has the panoramic sunroof as well. And the dual pane panoramic sunroof goes all the way back to your back passengers, which is great for kids, family, any of your passengers. And we'll go check out the front of this Grand Cherokee, guys. Okay, now we're just checking out the front of this Grand Cherokee Limited. We do have all your standard features, which you would expect in a high-end luxury vehicle, your power windows, door locks, and such. It does have memory seats as well, power seats, lumbar support, vertical and horizontal lumbar support, not to mention, which is awesome. Automatic light ambient sensor, so it turns your lights on and off for you during the day and nighttime, so that's extra convenient. This vehicle is also outfitted with blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert in the mirrors, so they will light up if there is somebody in your blind spot, or if you're at Costco backing out, you're in between two large trucks and you can't see. If you back out slowly, if it does flash and beep, if you hit your brakes, a car or somebody will go by with a baby stroller or a shopping cart, and if you don't stop, the vehicle will actually stop for you. Very nice safety features for sure. There's tons of safety features in this vehicle, and it does help drop your insurance rates as well if you do mention it to your insurance adjusters. This one is outfitted with the V6. It does have quite a few options. It does park itself as well, perpendicular and parallel. You got your 8.4-inch screen in this specific vehicle. It's got the Alpine stereo, like I said. It's got the advanced intelligent cruise control, Bluetooth, Uconnect 4, the easiest infotainment system ever to use in any car manufacturer. Read about it. It's very simple to use, very intuitive, nice to have. This vehicle does have the cold weather package, so it's going to come with heated seats, heated steering wheel, built-in remote starter. You also have an app on your phone. You can start and unlock your car from anywhere in the world. Yeah, there's just so much to mention on this vehicle. Come check us out at our new dealership. We're 1 block north of Costco. Our address is 1155 St.Albert Trail, or you can give us a call on our phone. Our actual number is 780-458-8660. Thanks, guys.